I'm sure you've heard the news. A devastating loss has hit the NFL family. Minnesota Vikings rookie cornerback Khyree Jackson has tragically passed away in a car crash at the age of 24. The accident occurred early Saturday morning in Prince George's County, Maryland. Jackson was a passenger in a Dodge Charger involved in a three-car collision. The crash also claimed the lives of Isaiah Hazel, 23, and Anthony Litton Jr., 24, all former high school football teammates. Emergency services pronounced Jackson and Hazel dead at the scene, while Litton Jr. passed away later at the hospital. According to preliminary investigations, a silver Infiniti struck the Charger while attempting to change lanes at high speed. The Charger then veered off the road, hitting several tree stumps before coming to a stop. Vikings head coach Kevin O'Connell expressed his deep sorrow, saying Khyree brought a contagious energy and was destined to be a tremendous professional football player. Our hearts go out to the families, friends, teammates, and coaches affected by this tragic event. Stay tuned for more updates on this heartbreaking story.